Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install TradingView application on your mobile device. If you're looking to trade smarter on the go, you can easily install the TradingView app on your mobile device, whether you are using Android or iOS. First of all, unlock your device and open up Google Play Store for Android users and App Store for iOS users. Now, go to the search box at the top and type in TradingView and search. Look for this application from TradingView and tap on the Install for Android users and the Get button for iPhone users. If you've previously downloaded the app on your iPhone, then you will see a little cloud icon with a small arrow in it. Tap on that and your download process will complete. After you are done, tap on the Open button and then you can log in using your Google account, Apple ID, email, or create a new account if you don't have TradingView account yet. And that's it. You have now TradingView right in your pocket, ready to chart, analyze, and make smarter trading decisions on the go. If you found the video helpful, drop a comment below, give a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow traders. Until next time, trade smart, stay safe, and keep learning.